You are unique and so should your home be. At Linkstyle Life, we specialize in providing innovative smart technology that creates brilliant experiences and unlocks the enchanted lifestyle. With Linkstyle Smart Home devices, you can stay informed with the tracking system using your phone even when you're away. Create your own custom patrolling system and automatically check your surroundings to keep the places you love secure. A smart home often requires a central gateway that can relay information to other devices. Linkstyle Gateway will then connect with the door and window entry sensor and PIR motion sensor. It keeps you stay informed with the app using your phone even when you're away. Would that be nice if you can easily turn on off your house's lighting system by telling Alexa or adjust it using the Linkstyle app? When it's getting too cold, the Linkstyle temperature and humidity sensor will auto-detect the temperature decrease and trigger automated functions to turn on the smart humidifiers. It also can trigger a smart plug that's connected to a heater. Our secure and cost-effective home automation solution allows you to automate daily routines and make your day-to-day life easier by integrating comfort with technology. The Mirror camera has AI motion detection, allowing you to monitor your property 24/7 with 360-degree view infrared night vision. Connect all your smart devices with Linkstyle app. You can get everything under control. Do you need to work at the office daily and have no time to take care of your pet and your garden? No worries, we have the pet water fountain for you. It keeps the water always fresh and ready for your pet. Additionally, with the smart sprinkler, you can set watering to start at a specific time. Linkstyle Smart Home devices also support Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa voice control. It's never too late to get your home upgraded and spend less time on house maintenance. Get Linkstyle Smart Bundles today, together with us unlocking your enchanted life.